The issue for the assembly session is that Pramod Sawant has made a record of a one-day session. In 13 years of my tenure as an MLA, I've never seen such a situation where a one-day session is called. It's not today. The governor's address is of no use to us. It is a speech spoken by the governor, written by the government, which we are not able to talk about in the first day. So effectively, it's a one-day session. And what are the issues? The issues are land grab, the issues are cash for job, the issues are dwindling tourism. Every influencer today in the world is saying why Goa is going down, and that issue is not going to be discussed. Whether mining resumption is benefiting the sons of the soil there, that is not to be discussed. Whether these stray dogs are increasing and affecting tourism, that is not to be discussed. What is to be discussed? We have to say that everything is fine, all is well. Pramod Sawant's thing is all is well. They are making fun of him, and every influencer today is coming out with a thing, making fun of the Goa Chief Minister. And Goa has been finished post 2019. You see, they say the golden period for tourism was 11 to 19. And we are trying our best to come to levels of 2019. Dubai has gone 40% above from 2019 to 24. We have gone 60% below from 2019 to 24. Same period, Goa's tourism is going down. So if there is no tourism, if mining is in the hands of somebody else, if there is exodus of the locals because of employment, where is Goa going? There is no Goa. So we have to resolve to make Goa Goa again. This is Sawantwadi. This is not Goa. This is something else only. Sawantwadi also is becoming better now. I have heard that it is even they are becoming better. So हे जे कितें आहा पळय हे गोंय न्ही, ते गोंय परतें गोंय हाडपा खातीर आमी एक काम करपाक जाय आनी ही असेंब्ली म्हाका दिसता आमी आझाद मैदानाचेर घेवची पडटली. हांगा घेवयात ती बिकॉज दिस ग्राउंड बिलोंग्स टू मी, सो आय कॅन गेट एनी टायम परमिशन. आझाद मैदानाक दिवपाक कापास जाता ताका गट्स आहा जाल्यार सांगचे ओपिनियन पोल दिसाच्यान स्टार्ट करुया. असेंब्लीत थंय घेवया, पण बरें आहा असेंब्ली पयलीं घेवचें न्ही, असेंब्ली मागीर घेवया. आफ्टर द असेंब्ली, आफ्टर द 6th, कितें ते 6th and 7th म्हणटा, 6th and 7th आफ्टर द 7th घेवया. जे कितें इश्यू उरता आमी 15 अनस्टार्ट क्वेश्चन विचारतात, 3 स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन विचारतात, एक आयलो, उरले कितले 15 आनी 2 17 क्वेश्चन रस्त्यार विचारया. आसा ताका गट्स येवन आन्सर करपाक, नाल्यार ही सगळी बंडल सगळीं आतां आन्सर करपाक या म्हणटा. म्हजी चॅलेंज बीजेपीक, आन्सर करा पयलीं. लोकशायेन तुमी मानीत नात. लोकशाही कितें म्हणटा की देर हॅव टू बी आन्सर्स गिवन फॉर लेजिटिमेट क्वेश्चन्स. अरे इफ अ इन्फ्लुएन्सर सेज गोवा's tourism is going to the dogs, you are filing an FIR. Means what? Even if tourism is going wrong and if somebody points out FIR, म्हळ्यार उलोवपूच ना. तुज्या बापायचें गोंय हें कितें तें चल्लां हांगा. गट्स आहा तर ताका सांग पोस्ट असेंब्ली सेशन आझाद मैदानाचेर उबे रावा. सगळे इतले लाख मेंबर केल्या पळय तांकां घेवन या आनी क्वेश्चन आमी विचारता, उत्तर दिया. चल.